Hi everyone, back again. Yeah, I've altered my sluice, so I've put a new mat in it. As I was saying before, I was going to alter it and then do some boil box and some other stuff. I've actually decided against that, and I've changed it around a wee bit more, hopefully for the better, and shouldn't hopefully lose any more gold. So I'll show you what I've done anyway. So what I've done is I've put a new mat in here, completely new, and then I've just done a few little mods. I've extended this a bit wider so it doesn't keep boiling out on me when I'm traipsing around the hillsides. Then I've put another nut down the bottom, so this is actually locked now, so it doesn't actually tilt, but you can take that bottom one out and then tilt it over, and then put it back in. But I got this mat here, so it's quite a cool mat. Very very nice mat. It's quite deep grooves. It looks like that. You can see that. So it's quite a deep groove in it. Very cool. So it just comes in a big long length. So it's what was it? It's that. So it's that length is 150 odd mils long. So that's one piece there. They all interlock into each other. So that's one piece, but it's 900, just under a metre long. And then you just whack it off into whatever sections you want. So I just joint these together, and I've actually siliconed them together. So it is one mat now, which suits for what I want. And then yeah, so it just feeds up under this one, so it's actually locked in there. And then down this end, if you remember, I had a lip down that end under there, but now I've changed it around because I've shortened the box up, so it's a wee bit longer now. So it's only about this long, the gap. But I actually put so it's got the lip here now. So this actually locks it in, locks the actual mat to the thing, so it can't go out, and it's stuck up under here, so nothing's going to get stuck anywhere. And this is dead flat, so this is, well, it might be just maybe a mil higher than what that is, but it's about the same height as what this is the top of these ridges. So yeah, I think it's going to work very well. I don't think anything's going to escape from that. This looks like it works on the same principle as my other sluice, with the over there with the corrugations in it. See how that one's got all the corrugations down there? So it's a very similar sort of a thing, and that's why I was sort of drawn to it. I thought, well, that looks like the bizzo. So hopefully tomorrow we'll try her out and see how we go. Like I say, everything else through here seemed to work pretty good. So yeah, it's just that there should be just the crowning glory, really. That nothing else will fall out of it. But yeah, so anyway, I'll let you know tomorrow and see how it goes. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.